Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to have a little fun and talk about what I call the gear chase, the gear game. People constantly call me and they tell me about all this gear they have and the manufacturer and the power, the wattage, and of course my standard response is the room could care less. The room doesn't care who made your gear. The room only sees energy. So I just see this passion, this chase, to get gear. Get the best gear you can, get this amplifier, get this speaker, get this DAC, whatever the equipment is. People just have this drive and this push to get the gear. And it doesn't really matter what it is. I think a better approach is to kind of slow down and don't strive right away when you're building a new facility to get the best of everything. Just go middle of the road. We know where the price points are breaking for amplifiers and DACs and stuff like that, where you have to spend at least, let's say, $2,000 to get a good DAC or $2,500 to get a good DAC. That's fine. But don't, go crazy and buy all this other stuff that you don't need right away. Just buy the basics, the amps, the speakers, the DACs, workstation and stuff like that you need. And then spend the balance that you have left on room treatment. You're going to be way better off. You're going to be way ahead of the curve. And more importantly, you're going to be able to grow into your room and grow out of your gear. If you buy the most expensive gear first, you got no place to go. And you're going to pay a lot of money for an incremental increase in performance that you may or may not be able to hear in your room. So buy middle of the road stuff that works well, that's reliable. Take the difference that you have left in money and treat your room. It'll improve the resolution of your gear. And that's the goal. You want to be able to grow out of your gear and into your room, not the other way around. You don't want to buy the best gear and not be able to hear what it does in a poorly treated room because you run out of money to treat the room correctly. So you'll hear more in a properly treated room. And I always tell people, I can take a $5,000 system, make it sound like $500,000 in a good room. But you could take a $500,000 system and it'll sound like $5,000 in a bad room. So the goal is to, hear everything that your gear produces, treat your room so well that you can hear the deficiencies in your gear. And that's the goal. So then you'll be, all right, I'm going to live with this amplifier for a while. I don't really like its damping factor because I can hear it on the low end in my room. So down the road, that's going to be my first thing purchase in a new budget situation. So get middle of the road stuff that helps you learn your craft. It's all pretty good today. It's low distortion, full range, and then spend the difference on your room. You'll be way, way ahead down the road. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.